I have been home for a while now. I just put all my things away, but I feel like I haven't talked to y'all all day. How y'all doing? Y'all good? Did you drink water? I hope so. But I'm not gonna lie, today was kind of, I don't want to say disappointing, but I was kind of just expecting a little bit more to take place. Like, I was kind of bummed that I didn't get to experience a real nature center. I knew I should have just went to the Sandridge location, but I wanted to try something new. The cafe, however, was really nice. They it was one of those cafes that only like sold desserts and beverages, so they didn't really have like any actual food. But the cheesecake, 10 out of 10, absolutely loved it. It was my first time trying it. And the tea, maybe I should have like added more sweetener or something, but it just didn't taste right to me. I don't know. But I did have one of their I guess I would call it their mock pink drink or whatever it was. That was really good though. Overall, I will give the cafe about an 8 out of 10. You know, if they probably added like some actual food on there, just maybe like a little sandwich or something, that would have been nice. But I really liked the vibe of it. It was really nice in there and quiet. The music they had playing was really soothing also. So if you're ever in the Orland Park area, I do recommend that place. I did go to Orland Mall after visiting the cafe. Big mistake, okay? Now, nothing bad like really happened while I was there, but I just feel like I should have went straight home after the cafe because I immediately just felt overstimulated when I went to the mall. I was able to visit my favorite stores and do some window shopping, and I get my shoes cleaned for free, but still though, I feel like I should have went home because my social battery after being at the mall literally just went straight to 0%. I do want to show you all really quickly. While I was at the cafe, there was a man there. I'm trying to remember his name. He gave me his card though, actually. Let me explain first of all. So he was there promoting a PNC Bank, and we had like maybe a 10-minute conversation. Just I went into detail about my transition into the finance world and becoming a certified bookkeeper, studying tax prep and all that. And, you know, he offered me some tips and stuff like that. And he recommended that if I wanted to, you know, ever just come in and receive some financial advice or even employment opportunity, I could reach out to him. So he gave me this little grocery bag, which I thought was really sweet. And in it contains a PNC water bottle, which I'm probably just gonna put in my car for, you know, whenever me or my buddies just need an extra bottle. He gave me a pen also, cute little pen that's gonna go on the office desk. And here is his card. That's his name right there. I believe it's pronounced Iftikhar. And he was really nice. So yeah, that's what happened. This, I'm gonna put this away somewhere, but I just thought it was a really nice moment. You know, I love networking and connecting with people who are in like similar fields as me. So that was just really nice to experience, and I'm definitely gonna take up his offer, and hopefully I can find some time to actually go in and you know, just talk to him and see what they can provide for me. But I'm going to end this video here. I'm actually going to turn this into like a whole entire series where it's just me traveling to new places. I mentioned in a previous vlog that I'm starting my sabbatical trips, so I think I'm going to include those into this series as well, because all of those places that I have listed for my sabbatical trips are completely new to me. So I just think it'll be a great idea for me to just make this into a whole series thing where you guys just see me visiting new places and indulging in these new experiences. So for today's video, we went to the ORLAND Park Nature Center for the very first time and Harrah's Cafe. And despite the disappointments, I did have a little bit of fun, but I will see you guys in my next travel vlog. Be well, stay safe, stay hydrated, and I'll see you around. Mwah.